What is a hydraulic hose? A hydraulic hose is a device that conveys hydraulic fluid to or between hydraulic components within hydraulic machinery to transmit force. These components are typically valves, tools, and actuators. In addition to its primary purpose of providing movement between two port locations, hydraulic hoses will provide an added purpose of reducing the effects of vibrations. Depending upon the application and liquids being transported through the hose, hydraulic hoses can be made of various materials. These materials include fluoropolymers, silicone, rubber, metal, and thermoplastics. Each hose, no matter the material, will be constructed of 3 layers. Let's start with the inner tube. This layer will carry the fluid. Next is the reinforced layer. This layer will define the pressure capacity and flexibility. Lastly, the protective layer, which will provide weather, oil, or abrasion resistance. Hydraulic hoses are used across a variety of industries and applications. The agricultural industry uses them for fertilizers, harvesters, and trucks. Oil and gas make use of hydraulic hoses on drill rigs, pipelines, and cranes. Factories use them on processing equipment, paper mills, presses, robotics, and assembly lines. The list goes on. Hydraulic hose development provides advances in a wide variety of new, high-powered hydraulic machines and tools. These advances make hydraulic hoses easier to route and install. They also lessen vibration and noise and dampen pressure surges. If you like this information on hydraulic hoses, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information on industrial products and processes. For information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching.